that goes back to what I said in the beginning. I do not stand before you in my elected capacity and don't want to be considered or viewed or even addressed in that capacity. Rather, I stand before you and make these arguments, if you will, in my capacity as an elector that is eligible to vote in the upcoming election. So, in summary, there are 2 points. CGA 21-2-133. Ms. Harvey is not eligible to qualify as a write-in for the office of probate court judge because she filed her notice of intent too late. That is not a discretionary matter. That is a mandatory matter under the code. Secondly, under the holding of the Little John case, Ms. Harvey does not qualify as a candidate for the office of probate court judge because she has not practiced law for 7 years and is not a member of the Georgia Bar.
Well, we have the option of a motion to disqualify, a motion to not qualify, a motion to make a decision within 48 hours. So what do I hear in regard? Motion, one of the motions.
I would like to make a motion to disqualify Ms. Harvey as a write-in candidate for probate judge from the November 5th general election ballot.
I'll second that motion.
It's been motion and second that Ms. Kathy Harvey as a write-in candidate will be disqualified from running for a probate judge for the November the 5th, 2024 general election. Is there a discussion?
I would just like it to be on record, the reasons, both, just trying to write out that she failed to meet the requirements to file the notice in the legal, advertise in the legal organ, the Rockdale Citizen, by the required date, as well as not meet the requirements based on on Rockdale County being the Article 6.
Okay.
So,
Well, in the discussion, we have mentioned that the disqualification is because of not meeting the requirements of a probate judge, according to Article 6, and meeting the publication date of September the 3rd. So with that being said, we made the motion and we've got a second, and I would say we had a discussion. All in favor be known by the word aye.
aye.
Aye. Opposes nay. Ayes have it. Therefore, the motion was that Ms. Harvey will be disqualified as a write-in candidate for probate judge for the November 5th, 2024 general election ballot. All right, is there anything else we need to discuss?
Board members, also, the notice of intent that was filed by Mrs. Harvey, it states that I hereby give notice that I intend to be a write-in candidate for the office of, and you name your office in the general election, and I would like my name to appear on the certified list of write-in candidates. And it also goes so far as to state that I am, and I think this should be a candidate, that I am a candidate is eligible to hold such office, and that my address is, and that I am qualified to vote in said election. When a document like this is filed, a candidate is affirming that they are qualified to seek this seat. And because in conversation with Ms. Harvey, she was told of the requirements, and she said that she did not want to hear all the hoopla. And she also stated that she would move forward with qualifying and may the chips fall where they may. So at that time, she knew that she did not meet the qualification, and with that stated, board members, this information have to be turned over to the state election board for investigation. Because Ms. Harvey, knew that she did not qualify, however, she moved forward, with the qualification and went so far as to state that may the chips fall where they may.
Okay, any questions by the board members?
No question.